Welcome to Kamppi.
Let's go to the welcome to my
Mosque.
We're going to the mosque. Equality depends.
Quality
What's the
check.
subject?
What the hell? And we're going to check what's inside. There.
Ito de dire yang kay Haya.
Right now we are in Kamppi and we are going to take our lunch because we're hungry. And I hungry.
Oh my God!
Anak na.
Beef.
Wow. After. We are now on our way to the Rock Church, Helsinki Rock Church, and we have nothing else to do. Mga
Dito na nakagawas sa museum. Nakagawas sa museum, may mo na-appeal.
Asa ning ulo? Where are we going? We are
Mall.
we are on our way to Oodi Library. Capital ito?
Oodi. Oh, national.
Oodi? Last stop before we go shopping. So we went from the Rock Church in Helsinki. That was €5 for adults and kids gets free entrance.
Free na po nila pikoy.
Siyempre.
I like this phone so much for vlogging. Nanti kita try ako ini kamera like this person. Wow. Wow. Excuse me.
Yes.
What do you do for a living?
Nothing. Traveling.
Take a pose. Wow, you're a model, miss. You don't know that's your profession?
Why?
Wow, that's professional.
Oh, naarak ka. Asap. One, two, three.
We are now in the Oodi library. Everyone is watching me with this phone and they're so amazed. It is very cute and cool.
Ay, kalitot ba ka man?
There was a learning station there where you can use the computer. You have to book for it, and you can also print some 3D. You can do work or studies. I'm not allowed to take videos there because it's used for work and studying for privacy reasons. This library is pretty cool.